Let them take. In a democracy, they have every right to take. But as an elected government, going by the constitution, we have taken every steps according to the law. So when we are right according to the law, nobody can stop us from implementing anything for the good of the society. Last 1 week back, reservation for category 2B in small contracts bill was introduced in the House. Last 1 week, we have been asking them to come on debate on that. BJP has been avoiding to debate on that 4% reservation for 2B category in small contracts. And the last day they are doing this ruckus. They create the ruckus and they themselves, they blame us. From last 1 week, we have invited you to come and debate. They didn't want that bill to be taken up. So today is the last day we have to take up, and you're creating ruckus. And the way they have behaved in the House is not in a civilized manner, and it is not in a good taste. The way thrown on the speaker, they've thrown papers and books on the chief minister, which is condemned by each and everyone in the state.
So what are you about the bill for the salaries, the amendment has been passed, salaries and pensions have been amended. How do you justify it? So at this point
See, the inflation is so high. Modi government is not ready to bring down the inflation. Price rise, fuel prices are skyrocketed. Common man cannot afford anything with dignity, and the majority of the MLAs also come from common background. According to the inflation, we need to also adjust, and it's a nominal increase. It's not a very phenomenal increase.
But how in a larger manner, if people say, when you are saying the guarantees are given but not being fulfilled, now some 3-4 months, geology amount is pending.
No, there is now no amount pending. Every amount is delivered.
Justify it, sir. Salary hike for the MLAs. What is the requirement at this point?
No, it is why it's not required.
In Karnataka are very well known.
No, very few people are rich. Most of them come from the common background. And with the rising inflation, rising price rise, there has to be a nominal increase.
Three of your MLAs are billionaires. 3 of BJP MLAs are billionaires. 7 of the millions.
There are other 200 MLAs which come from common background. There are other hundreds of ex-MLAs. Okay, they are also part of this assembly earlier. So you have to rationalize their salaries and pensions according to the present situation, present state of economy and present state, price rise and everything.